Anybody home? Welcome to my humble abode. Let me show you around. Let me get in my chair. Because before I show you around, I just want to introduce the video. Basically, we have been planning this really fun ski trip with my friends from Tampa for like 4 months, and it's finally here. And it's Wednesday night, and tomorrow we're kind of spending the day getting situated, and then Friday, Saturday are big ski snowboard days. I've never been skiing in Utah, only in Colorado, so I'm freaking pumped. Sunday we're gonna go to Salt Lake, and then Monday we leave. So it's gonna be a jam-packed 4.5 days. And we're the first ones here. So we get to explore the place, see what it's got, and now we're gonna give you guys a little tour, and I'll put the link to the Airbnb below, so if you wanna check it out if you're coming to Park City. So we will start with the dining room table. It seats 8 apparently, and then the rest of the people can sit at the island, which is really nice. And so this is the whole kitchen, which is very beautiful. I love the marble. We got giant fridge, toaster, oven, microwave, all the things. And this is my favorite part of the kitchen, the bar area. We got our lovely coffee for the morning, and we also got a little drink fridge. Nothing's in it yet, but it will be stocked very soon. And copious amounts of glasses. And this is the living room, which I really like. It's very cozy. Something I always hate at Airbnbs or hotels is when there's not enough blankets. We got a blanket. We got really cozy pillows, blanket. So I'm very happy about that situation. This is the balcony. It's dark right now, but I'll put some footage of it in the light tomorrow. It's very beautiful. It has some seating and a grill, so that's great. We have over here the washer, dryer, and the bathroom. Pantry right here. We can make our way upstairs. This is the master bedroom. It is very glorious, humongous bed. TV, dresser. We have a huge bathroom with a very large shower, tub, and sink. So this is Mac Daddy. We're giving it to the birthday girl though, or else I would have been snagging that. This is another room. Sleeps 2, very basic dresser. And then in here is bunk beds. So our 4 single friends will be sleeping in here. And then that's just the bathroom. That's all I have to say about that. Now to the downstairs. This is the fun game room plus the bedroom. In the downstairs, we have a very beautifully decorated living space. We got this pool table, which will be used copiously. I'm very excited. To make it even more fun, see the beach towels? Yeah, there's a hot tub outside, right outside this door. I have a feeling we're gonna be using it every night. It's already nice and hot. And lastly, we have the other bedroom. This is where Dylan and I are staying. So we get the fun floor. There's a bathroom right there, across the way. That is our humble abode for the next 5 days, and I'm very excited. We're gonna do our full grocery and alcohol run tomorrow, so. How good that looks. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm Jamie. Nice to meet you. I'm Caitlin.
Good morning. Hey.
Me, because I wasn't that Jewish. Day number 1.
Woo! We're walking to Walmart. This is probably the prettiest walk to a Walmart I've ever been. Testing the snow.
This morning we're having some breakfast Sammys. We're having muffins or bagels with egg, cheese, and bacon. And they seem to be a real big hit this morning.
Yeah. Clap it up for Arden.
Yeah. I'm so excited. So it's about 9 a.m. and we're leaving here in probably like 20-30 minutes. I'm just packing my backpack. I am bringing a little camelback because we're gonna be on the mountain all day and I need snacks, obviously. I got my water in the camelback, and then I just want a place to put layers. We're just gonna eat on the mountain. So we all have sandwiches. Dylan and Daniel made sandwiches for everyone and labeled them and put all the snacks on the counter. They've definitely earned their beer later. Packing my bags and we're gonna hit the road very soon. Wow. I'm so excited. Utah! We are about to take on the slopes. Taking on the slopes. Arden is going for the first time.
I am going for the first time.
Hi.
Hello! Dylan is going to teach Arden how to be the best.
How to snowboard.
snowboarder ever.
And if you couldn't tell, Arden's a very entertaining character, so this is gonna be really fun. We're going on a green. The first one of the day. And it's very beautiful.
Hopefully it won't be the last.
That is ice. Ma'am?
I'm not doing well. Ow! There's so much snow in here. We're having a lovely time. It's Brooke's birthday. We're celebrating. What are we doing today, everyone?
We're drinking.
All day.
We're getting pretty effed up.
Edition. If you know our friend group, we love a good bar crawl. Give us a city and we'll make a bar crawl out of it.
We are in downtown Park City, and we're gonna hit up multiple bars. We're heading back to Tampa now, and it's been quite the adventure with the flights. We were supposed to leave originally at 9:30, then it got switched to 11:45, then to 1:15, then to 3:30, and then back to 11:45. So we're now at the airport. It's what, like 10:30?
10:15.
10:15. It's 10:15. We've had such a fun time. I think this might be an annual trip with my friends. So hopefully next year we'll do this again. Cheers and goodbye.